When the economy crashes, most people panic, but a few get rich. Here's the truth. Recessions don't just create fear, they create opportunity. The question is, will you be one of the few who knows how to profit when times get tough? In this video, we'll reveal the most powerful side hustles that not only survive in a bad economy, but actually thrive. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Local delivery and errand running. With just a full gas tank and a smartphone, you can begin offering local delivery or personal errand services. A hustle perfectly tailored for tough times. When people are stressed, overwhelmed, or trying to save time, they are willing to pay someone else to handle tasks like grocery shopping, package delivery, or pharmacy pickups. While large gig platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart make it easy to start immediately, there is also demand for personal, customized service. Advertising in local Facebook groups, community forums, or by posting flyers in senior housing centers can open the door to direct clients who prefer the human touch. Evening and weekend availability are huge advantages, especially for busy families or elderly clients. Yard and home services, one of the most consistent income-generating side hustles, especially during economic slumps, is yard and home maintenance. With a modest investment of $100 to $300 in tools like a basic lawn mower, rake, snow shovel, or power washer, you can launch a service that solves everyday problems for homeowners. The demand for these services never truly goes away. Lawns still need mowing, weeds need trimming, and snow needs shoveling. In fact, during economic downturns, more people are likely to stay in their homes rather than move, making upkeep even more important. Many households prefer to outsource chores they either can't or don't want to do themselves. That's where a reliable local provider becomes invaluable. Clients are often found right in your neighborhood. Door-to-door flyer distribution, social media posts on local pages, and listings on platforms like Nextdoor and Craigslist can get the word out fast. New customer discounts and bundled deals like lawn mowing paired with gutter cleaning can also increase bookings and boost customer loyalty. Dog walking and pet sitting. Even when money is tight, pets remain a top priority. Many people will forego luxuries but won't compromise when it comes to their furry family members. This is why dog walking and pet sitting continue to generate steady income even during economic turbulence. You can start this business with minimal upfront investment, often as low as $0 if you already have essentials like leashes and treats. Listing your services on pet care platforms like Rover or Wag connects you with local pet owners. Social media is also a great tool. Posting adorable photos and testimonials can build credibility and trust. Flyers at vet clinics, dog parks, and pet stores will help reinforce your presence. Offering value-packed options such as weekly or monthly walk packages can lead to consistent income and happy, loyal clients. Personal shopping for budget-savvy clients. When times get tough, consumers look for deals. But many lack the time or know how to hunt for the best prices. That's where you come in as a personal shopper focused on budget-savvy buying. This side hustle is ideal for those who love bargain hunting, thrifting, or scouting for discounts. With as little as $50 to $200 for initial purchases, you can begin sourcing high-quality, affordable items and delivering them to clients based on their style, needs, or requests. Busy professionals, working parents, and elderly individuals are prime customers. Building an online presence on TikTok or Instagram allows you to showcase your finds, provide shopping hacks, and track clients organically. Direct outreach through community events and neighborhood groups can also help build a client base quickly. Developing partnerships with local thrift stores can give you access to deals before the public, increasing your profit margins. Home-cooked meals and meal prep. In economic downturns, dining out becomes a luxury while the need for convenient, nutritious, and affordable meals grows. If you're skilled in the kitchen, starting a home-based meal prep or cooking service can be both fulfilling and profitable. With an initial investment of $100 to $300 for cookware and ingredients, you can create customized meal plans for individuals or families. The demand is especially strong among working professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and seniors who want healthy or diet-specific meals but lack the time to cook. Marketing yourself is simple. Share your food photos and menus on Facebook and Instagram. Partner with local gyms for fitness-friendly meal plans or approach offices to offer lunch packages. Flyers and word of mouth can also do wonders in tight-knit communities. Specializing in niche markets such as vegan, keto, or gluten-free can give your business a strong identity and build a dedicated clientele. Reselling and flipping goods. Flipping isn't just a trend. It's a proven money-making strategy that becomes even more powerful during economic slowdowns. As more people seek secondhand options, demand for quality used goods rises. That's your opportunity. With a budget of $50 to $200, start sourcing items from garage sales, thrift stores, clearance aisles, or even free listings online. Focus on what you know best, whether that's vintage clothing, electronics, collectibles, or small furniture. Clean them up, price them competitively, and list them on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, OfferUp, or Depop. Photography and good customer service are key to standing out. Clear images, honest descriptions, and fast responses help close deals. If you monitor trends and target in-demand items, you can flip for a strong profit margin consistently. Handyman and repair services. When money is tight, repairing becomes far more attractive than replacing. That's why small repair services always thrive in a shaky economy. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, patching drywall, or assembling furniture, homeowners are eager to hire affordable, reliable help. Depending on what tools you already own, you might only need to spend $50 to $500 to get started. Once you have the basics, register on service platforms like TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, or Nextdoor to attract your first clients. Word of mouth is huge in this business. Satisfied customers will gladly refer you to friends and neighbors if you show up on time and do great work. It's smart to focus on high turnover tasks, those that are easy to do, yet hard for the average homeowner to tackle alone. Childcare services. In uncertain economic times, traditional daycare can become too expensive for many families. This opens a major opportunity for side hustlers, offering flexible and affordable childcare solutions. If you enjoy working with children and have a warm, responsible demeanor, this path can provide not just income but also deep community trust. Often requiring little to no investment, except perhaps a background check or some basic supplies, you can begin by listing your availability on platforms like Care.com or SitterCity. Letting schools, local libraries, and parenting groups know you're available can lead to a steady stream of clients. Flexibility is a big selling point. Offering after-hours, weekend, or emergency childcare can set you apart and allow you to serve parents with non-traditional work hours. Cleaning and home organization services. A clean home is a stress reliever, and during tough times, people are often too mentally or physically exhausted to manage clutter or deep cleaning themselves. This is where you can step in as a much-needed helping hand. With $50 to $150 in supplies, you can start offering cleaning or organization services tailored to what people really need. Move-in/move-out cleanings, decluttering projects, and even garage organizing are high-value services. Success in this field depends on trust and visible results. Use before and after photos on social media to demonstrate your work. Partnering with real estate agents can also help you tap into steady, high-paying jobs. Offering an initial consultation is a great way to assess client needs while also upselling related services. Tutoring and teaching. Even when budgets are tight, parents rarely cut back on their children's education. In fact, they may invest more in tutoring if public school quality declines or if their child falls behind. Likewise, adults stuck at home during economic downturns often seek new skills or hobbies, creating a rich market for private lessons. This side hustle can be started with virtually zero investment if you already have the knowledge or skill. Whether you teach math, music, languages, or test prep, you can find students via Tutor.com, Wyzen, or local community boards. Promoting yourself through schools, libraries, and online groups helps build your student base. Offering small group sessions is a clever way to maximize income while reducing time commitments. So, which of these recession-proof hustles will you try first? Share it in the comments below. We'd love to feature it. And if this video gave you ideas to fight back against tough times, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more strategies that turn downturns into opportunity.